Good morning, children. Today our lesson is the plate of gold. I am going to read it. One day a gold plate fell from the sky. Everybody was surprised. A boy read these words on the gold plate. Actually, there was something written on the gold plate. Everybody was surprised when the plate fell from the sky. A boy started reading what is on the plate. God's gift to his best servant. What is written? God's gift to his best servant. He picked up the plate. It turned into lead. The plate is of gold, but when the boy picked it up, it turned into lead. Lead means sisa, not शीशा of glass. लेड भी एक शीशा होता है लेकिन ब्लैक मेटल टाइप का होता है वो. He put it down. It turned into gold again. लेकिन जैसे ही उसने छोड़ा, it turned into gold again. All the villagers came and touched the gold plate. Then everyone came one by one and they touched the gold plate. But what happened? When they touched it, the plate turned into lead. But every person, whenever he or she touched the plate, again turned into lead. Soon it was clear that none of the villagers was God's best servant. And it was very clear to all of them that not a single person from the villagers was God's best servant. Now what happened? One day a poor farmer came to the temple where the plate was kept. My good man, the priest asked him, what brings you here? Then what happened? Everyone kept the plate in a temple. One day a poor farmer came there. Then the priest, means pujari, he asked from the poor farmer that what brings you here? तुम यहाँ किस लिए आए हो? क्या तुम्हें यहाँ लेके आया है? The farmer replied, Holy sir, I just want to pray to God to give me strength. What he said? He said that I want to pray God. Okay, pray to God that please God give me strength. मुझे ताकत दे. I want to be strong to serve my fellow beings. Why I want to be so much strong? To serve my fellow beings. मैं अपने साथियों की मदद करना चाहता हूँ. I want to serve to the people too. Poor too. मैं गरीबों की मदद भी करना चाहता हूँ. Don't you know about our gold plate? Then what the priest said, you don't know about our gold plate. He was quite surprised कि वो gold plate के बारे में नहीं जानता था. No sir, the farmer said. Come, said the priest, touch the plate. ठीक है, तो आओ इस प्लेट को छुओ. The farmer went inside the temple and touched the plate. To everyone's surprise, the plate didn't turn into lead. And what happened? When the farmer touched it, the plate didn't turn into lead. It started shining even more brightly. और ज़्यादा चमकने लग गया. This simple man did not know his own greatness. This man was very simple, but he didn't know his own greatness. अपनी महानता वो खुद नहीं जानता था. He loved all living beings. Why he was great? Because he loved all living beings, shared his food with the hungry, nursed the ill and took care of the old. वो क्यों महान था? क्योंकि वो सारे जीवित प्राणियों से प्यार करता था. अपने फूड को अगर कोई भूखा दिखता था तो उसके साथ शेयर करता था और बीमारों की मदद करता था. साथ ही साथ वो बूढ़े बुजुर्गों की देखभाल भी किया करता था. He was kind to others. दूसरे सबों के साथ वो बहुत दयालु था. He was indeed God's best friend. And indeed means real. Really he was God's best servant. Okay. Hope you understood, children.